So hi everyone, what I'm going to do here is a little demonstration on scripting a Pine editor in the TradingView app. So here I want to test a certain trading strategy and using the backtesting technique on the TradingView app. So let me just show to you the code syntax. So my entry point is I want to buy when my RSI is less than 30 and my closing price is greater than the 200 moving average, and I'm going to sell when my RSI is greater than 70, and my closing price would be I will go short if I went long in the entry, and I will long if I have shorted at the entry. So here I'm just going to input this code so you have a strategy. I'm going to call it my strategy RSI and use an overlay is equal to true. So my long condition will be my RSI is less than 30 and my close is greater than the simple moving average of 200, and my short condition is equal to the RSI being greater than 70. So I'm going to start my backtesting since the year 2024, and here is my entry. My entry will go long if I have a long strategy for my long condition, and my quantity is going to be 1 million notional, and else I will short given my short condition here using similar parameters as the previous entry. And this is my close strategy, which is I will go long if I was short at the entry, and I will go short if I was long at the entry. So let's take the strategy tester. So here I'm testing it for a euro dollar forex, and this is my net profit, and my profitability is 63.31% out of I don't know how many, out of 417 trades. So here you have your backtesting results, your backtested graphs where you are profiting and when you're losing. And this is my performance summary. I have my net profit, how much I went long, how much I went short, the different indicators such as the Sharpe ratio, the Sortino ratio, the buy and hold return also, and my open PL, total closed trades, total open trades, number of winning trades, number of losing trades, and my profitability percentage. Here you have your list of trades with different entry and exit points here, and this is the calculated profit that you do. And this is the properties. You have the date range. It has taken so my backtest. This is my backtesting range. Okay, and my symbol info is 4-hour chart candlestick, and this is my strategy properties. Okay, let's just go back to the overview. I'm going to close that, and this is your graph here. This is your graph where it shows to you the different long and short positions that you have entered. Alternatively, you want to test for another asset class, for GBP AUD, for example. So you have here 64.36% with greater profit. So that technique using the RSI seems to work for the GBP AUD. Alternatively, if I want to take for the USD JPY, I don't think this will work for the USD JPY here, because right now this is really volatile nowadays. So you can see that I'm making a loss here and my profitability percent is 59.30, so I don't really see that it works for the Japanese yen. Alternatively, we can test, for example, a USD CHF. Okay, so you see that my profitability percentage is around 62% again. You can have listed trades. So here it gets you long point, and it hasn't shorted yet. Okay, so here we are. My position is short here at this level, and yeah, I'm supposed to go long when my RSI will hit 70. Okay, so I guess that we also, in the Pine editor, there are different built-in screens which you can browse. For example, here this one is for the Bollinger Bands. Okay, so you have it here, the different plots for the Bollinger Bands. You can have here an RSI indicator. This is the RSI indicator here. This is for the indicator. Else you can also open the RSI strategy. I think it also has the RSI strategy. So this is for RSI strategy. The different, you see that the oversold is at 30 and the overbought is at 70. Alright, and else you have different scripts, different built-in scripts. You have the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so that's for the Fibonacci retracement. And alternatively, I don't see any templates right now. Okay, I can't see any template. You can have a user manual. Okay, so that's the user manual for the PineSript. So this is, you can see how you want to write some codes in there. And then you have the scripting, and then you want to load scripts from the chart, and you have the different technicals, and you have a community, for example, and this is for the script writing part. This is the style guide, and you have everything you need to know for the PineScripting. And yeah, and then you have the profiling and the optimization, and if you want to publish your scripts. So the moment you start to publish your script, you will have the strategy tester, and that's here with the trading panel. And you get the strategy tester in terms of the performance summary and the list of trades and the properties. And here is the overview of my backtesting. So you can see that this part is negative here and this part here is positive. So this is for my USD CHF, I think. Let us try if we get for any commodity So I'm gonna go for the LME copper. I don't know if I have LME copper in here. Let's see the LME copper. Okay. We have approximately, this is what your strategy is telling you, that it ranges the profitability ranges in the range of 62% to 64%. Let me try on the gold XAUUSD. So this strategy doesn't really work for the gold strategy. Maybe we can try a strategy which is mixed up with the Bollinger Bands, with a trading strategy with the RSI and the Bollinger Bands mix. Could be like a future little coding to do. So again, I think I will end this video here, and will come up if I have other trading strategies. Thanks for watching.